I click on the plus on Lovable and I click on integrations, I could manage the integrations. And there are a lot with Lovable, being that it has been kind of a darling of the industry. A lot of people have been building things that connect with Lovable. So they connect with Stripe, so you can accept payments. Shopify, of course, if you're trying to build an e-commerce store embedded in here. Supabase, super important one, obviously. And there's a lot of other ones you can see on the left side. You can dig through them, but let's go to Supabase here. And from this, you can connect Supabase. It's pretty easy to do, honestly. All you have to do is authorize Lovable. As long as you already have an org set up with Supabase. If not, it'll walk you through how to do that. It's pretty easy to set that up, but there we go. Now we have Supabase connected to Lovable. So I'll say continue. I can create a new project. It'll bring me over to Supabase and we can set up our project here and we'll create a new project. So I can close out of that. There aren't really a ton of integrations available. You can see we've got Lovable Cloud and Lovable AI. So those are the new Lovable managed ones. Lovable AI is pretty cool. I like that one. We've got the connections. So Stripe for payments, Shopify if you want to embed your store in there or build this into a store, and Supabase for a lot of other stuff. We also have a couple things, 5 down here. As you can see, you can request other ones, but there's not a ton that's really integrated just yet.